VTP client is one of the three operational modes that a Cisco switch can be configured to use within a VTP domain. The primary role of a VTP client is to receive and apply VLAN configuration updates from a VTP server. Unlike a VTP server, a client switch cannot create, modify, or delete VLANs. Instead, it relies entirely on the VTP server to distribute VLAN information. This ensures a centralized approach to VLAN management, where changes are made on the server and automatically reflected on all client switches within the VTP domain. When a switch is set to client mode, it listens for VTP advertisements from other switches in the same VTP domain. These advertisements contain information about VLAN IDs, VLAN names, and any changes made to the VLAN database. The client switch updates its own VLAN database to match the most recent information, using the VTP revision number as a reference. If the VTP client receives an advertisement with a higher revision number than its current database, it updates its VLAN configuration accordingly. This automatic synchronization reduces administrative overhead and ensures that VLAN consistency is maintained across the network. One key aspect of VTP clients is that they do not store the VLAN configuration in their NVRAM or non-volatile memory. This means that if a VTP client switch is rebooted, it will lose its VLAN information and must retrieve the latest VLAN data from a VTP server. This behavior is intentional, as it ensures that VTP clients always receive fresh VLAN information from the server. However, it also means that network administrators must ensure at least one VTP server is always available in the VTP domain. VTP clients play an important role in large multi-switch networks by allowing centralized VLAN control. This makes it easier to manage VLAN consistency across multiple switches. However, this centralized control can also be a risk if incorrect VLAN changes are made on the VTP server. For example, if an unauthorized VTP server with a higher revision number is introduced, all client switches will automatically adopt the new configuration, potentially causing network outages. To avoid such risks, network administrators often set most switches to VTP transparent mode and only use client mode when centralized VLAN management is required.